name's Officer Loban, Hillsboro Police. My body camera's on. Stopped you for your speed. They have 58 and 45. Was there any reason you were going that fast?
I'm so sorry, officer. I'm on my way to the Blazer game.
You're going where?
The Blazer game.
Blazer game's that way. Stopped him for 58 and a 45. It's just a little bit too fast for how much it's raining out here. Already been to one speed-related crash tonight, and we don't want to go to another. So, unreadable trip permit via green Subaru Outback. Hello.
Hey,
my name's Officer Loban, Hillsboro Police. My body camera's on. Stopped you for a couple things, okay? So,
and I know I don't have a plate and my trip permit is expired.
I'll just hear me out for a second. I'll let you know. So, yeah, obviously the trip permit, and then one of your lights is broken, so it's emitting like a white light, when it should be red. And then also when we're coming around that curve over there, you like veered way over the line into the other lane. Is there a reason for veering over the lane? Okay. Do you have the license, the registration, insurance?
I am suspended. I do not have.
You're suspended? Why are you driving if you're suspended?
I just have to take my daughter to his uncle or aunties. I have to drive. I don't really drive.
Okay. Do you have insurance?
I do not.
You don't have insurance?
As far as park at my work in Hillsboro.
Okay. Do you have the registration or any paperwork?
I do not.
You don't have any paperwork to show this is your car. Okay, all right, I'll be right back. So what caught my eye was the light on the back is like white, and you can't have any white light on the back of your car while you're driving. And then also it looked like he has a trip permit, but it's expired. And then when we were going down Brookwood, he like veered over the lane. And so that caught my attention. So stopped him. He told me he just got the car, but doesn't make sense because he has a trip permit that expired in July of this year, and it's now October. I'm like, all right, you have license, insurance? No, don't have insurance, and my license is suspended. So you are getting citations today, right? You know you're not supposed to drive, and you don't have insurance, so that's a liability being on the road even. You shouldn't be driving. You know you're not supposed to drive.
I do.
I understand you have to drive for things, but you need to figure things out because the reason you're suspended is because you've been driving uninsured.
That's the only thing.
And
this keeps happening.
If you get into a crash and you don't have insurance, not only is that bad for you, but that's bad for the people that you're affecting. And then also, if you have a child in the car with you,
I just did. I just drove my daughter to her auntie.
Imagine for a second. Listen to me. Imagine for a second if you get into a crash and you have your kid in the car and you don't have insurance and they have medical bills and you can't pay them now because you don't have insurance.
I'll be more screwed than ever.
I mean, not just like you just wouldn't.
It's bad for
as a father.
It's not responsible.
Right? It's not responsible at all. So I thought I was going to tell him he's getting insurance right now. So if you want to go over there and block them, that's fine too. But I'm good here then. Thank you. Roger that. This person just put on their hazards and is blocking the road. And then this person also has their hazards on, is blocking one lane of traffic. So Officer Christensen's gonna go over there and figure out what's going on. Hey man, can you hand me the trip permit?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, thank you. Give me 1 second, I'll explain the tickets to you, okay? So obviously, as you can see, it's expired in July, it's October now. So submit that back to the DMV. All right, sir. So like I explained, you're getting 2 citations today, okay? One's for driving while uninsured and one's for driving while suspended, okay?
It's going to be a black Ford Escape with smoke coming from the engine, and then RP will be in a black Tesla Cybertruck. The vehicles will be blocking.
Second, speed-related crash. She either distracted, looked up, was like, oh crap, and then slid.
What do you reckon about that one?
I'll tell you in a second.
Now.
Now!
That 1% battery.
Really?
No, I'm kidding.
I was like, dude, what? I was gonna try and turn around here, but it's just not gonna happen. So, speed-related and likely distracted. She said she's going 20, 25 miles an hour, hit the brakes, and started skidding and hit the back of the Cybertruck. Speed was likely a factor. Because if you hit the brakes and you skid, you're going too fast. Slow down. Team 43 traffic, but 2 vehicles. Hello, my name is Officer Loban. Just so you know, my body camera's on. Stopped you for running the red light.
No Spanish?
No Spanish. No, red light. Licencia? All right, uno momento, por favor. Hello, my name is Officer Loban, Hillsboro Police. My body camera's on. Stop both of you guys for running the red light. That's a no turn on red light.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
I had no idea.
No worries. You got your license with you?
Yeah.
Take a look at that real quick. Get you out of here. All right, I stopped both these vehicles because they both ran the red light, which is a no turn on red light, and they both turned when it was a red light. So I stopped both of them. There's a no turn on red, and you turned when it was red.
No puede ir en rojo ahí. So he's asking what you're gonna do now.
It's just a warning. I'm just letting you know.
So está bien.
Una advertencia.
Sí.
Okay. All right. Buenas noches. All right, you're good.
Yo quiero trabajar en la policía.
He wants to work as a
O si
police
no, en
officer.
la ambulancia, manejando la ambulancia.
Buenas noches. All right, sorry, I was talking to the other driver. There was a language barrier there. You have any questions for me?
No, I'm good. I just glad I know that that's
There you go. Yeah, and they're all posted. Some of them have more signs than others.
Yeah,
And it's dark, it's raining.
Yeah.
All right, take care. Drive safe.